Hi friends, Rotary District 3141 is one of the premier Rotary districts around the world, doing amazing work for the community. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference and make Rotary seen. There's a Givers Gain project to generate funds out of waste, which will be used to fund Rotary Foundation for various humanitarian projects. Under the Over is another initiative to beautify Mumbai and create utility spaces below all flyovers. Lots of efforts are also going on towards literacy, malnutrition, health, sanitation, and other verticals. WizBiz Talks is one more initiative, a novel concept in the vision year, with an ideology to support Rotarians to support Rotary. WizBiz Talks is also to create more bonding and proximity amongst Rotarians on personal, Rotary, and professional fronts. In these interviews, we speak to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of their selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to make a difference and make Rotary seen. I am Dr. Manish Motwani, a bariatric surgeon or a weight loss surgeon, and also the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. And I'll be your host on the WizBiz Talks. Friends, our guest on the WizBiz Talks today is our dearest friend, Yaro Ka Yaar, and one of the most prolific orators of District 3141. Yes, friends, Rotarian, past District Governor, Gopal Rai Mandania, District Governor of, or you can say the Charter Governor of Rotary District 3141. Friends, he's a Johari and recognizes the real diamonds. What I mean, the real workers. He's an excellent delegator, a taskmaster, and knows to get the best work done in the best possible manner. Friends, I have myself learned a lot from him, and I keep telling him that. He's into a profession of manufacturing alloy steels and bright bars. Friends, I'm a great fan of Gopalji and know that he loves challenges and that he ensures that he's always living out of his comfort zone. He loves helping people and a strong believer in the law of karma. Friends, he's charming, he's delightful, and a pleasant personality. He's very thoughtful and never say no for any social cause. With this small introduction, I have the pleasure to present before you an individual, terrific at work, wonderful at organizational skills, who loves perfection and principled to the core. Man with a golden touch. Friends, let me present before you Rotarian, past District Governor, Gopal Rai Mandania. Gopal ji, namaste.
Namaste. Thank you so much, Manish.
गोपाल जी, मैंने आपको जौहरी क्यों कहा वो तो आपको समझा होगा, क्योंकि आपने 16-17 में जौहरी के तरह एक अच्छा असिस्टेंट गवर्नर चुना था.
I enjoyed working with you, and it was a really teamwork, so we could achieve so many things. Though the first year it was, but still we could make the difference.
Definitely, Gopal ji, and you did make a difference. You know, I feel though you did so many big things in that year, truly speaking, and not at all flattering, you did so many big things in that year, but your biggest find, Gopal ji, was Nirav Shah. Your biggest find was Nirav Shah, and the way you have driven him, he has become a friend of the foundation. He's become a bhakt of foundation. And you know, if you can find out people like Nirav Shah and create that passion inside them that they have to do something for the foundation, I think so. People like you, the place at where you all are, you know, you have achieved what you wanted to achieve. And you have not just, Nirav Shah is just an example. आपने उसके जैसे ऐसे कितने जनों को चुना, प्रमोट किया, सपोर्ट किया और उनको निखारा. That Rotary 1616, Rotary year 1617 will always be a year to reckon with. They will be known by your name. They will be known by all those people because you are a person who doesn't just try to take all the fame for himself. आपके साथ जो काम करते हैं, आप उनको आगे करते हो, उनको prominence देते हो और उनको शौहरत दिलवाते हो. So thank you so much for the person you are, and thank you so much for giving us that incredible Rotary year 1617, Gopal ji.
You're right, very much right. आपने निखारने की बात की और डायमंड चूज करने की बात की, तो सबसे पहले तो आप ही हैं मेरे सामने. I have been knowing you very well since long time, but particularly that particular year you were the assistant governor, and whatever task was given or whatever responsibilities were given to you, you did more than 100%.
Thank you.
Particularly in the belt, which is yet to come up to the level of South Bombay and Western suburb to some extent. It's not to put them down, but then that's what it is. And you could achieve great targets from the clubs which were assigned to you. So compliments to you.
Thank you so
And
much.
my all the very best to you, Manish.
Thank you so much, Gopalji. Gopalji, you have been a constant performer. You know, साल खत्म हो गया. You have reached the governor post, past district governor. But how do you have that zeal and enthusiasm? आप अभी तक काम करके थकते नहीं हैं. आप हर नई चीज में एक नई सोच लाते हो, कुछ नया करते हो. आप मतलब truly speaking, let us know something more about you on the personal front. You as a person, what drives you so much? आप कैसे इतना कर सकते हो?
I don't have the right answer, but the only secret which I can tell you, I am a person who would like to remain in big group, and I always enjoy arranging some of the things which benefit to the larger number of people. This year being the COVID, maybe physically it was not possible to attain the projects and go to the clubs and meet them. So I thought there's a good opportunity. Can we organize some seminars which can be of a great benefit to most of the Rotarians? And we did, I mean, quite reasonably well. One of the seminars where you were there, we had 700 people attending and more than 50 clubs as co-host clubs. Second time we had more than 350 Rotarians coming. And I have another 2 dates with me. I'm pretty sure that we will always get the support of more than 40 to 50 clubs coming forward.
Fantastic. Gopalji,
When you are successful at one go in one of the meetings, it energizes you further and then you keep doing it. Manish, as you very well know, I have made personal touch with most of the people. More than Rotarian, more than a member or a president or a chief coordinator, they are friends me to the first and maybe then anything else what they are. Like between you and me, even if I call you midnight 3 o'clock, you will be happy to help me out. I mean, that's the kind of relationship we have maintained.
absolutely.
So I think that's one of the secrets of getting people whenever we want to there with them.
That's so very true, Gopalji. So very true. And this is possibly that your personal relation with people today is your main strength, where आप अगर कुछ करते हैं तो लोग सोचते हैं नहीं ये तो अच्छा होना ही है और सब लोग आपके साथ चलते हैं. So compliments to you and sincere appreciation for what you have been doing. And हमें लगता है कि हम उसका 10% भी कर सके. And Gopalji, I'm very clear, seriously telling you, हम उसका 10% भी कर सके तो हमें लगता है कि we've really achieved a lot.
I think, Manish, you are trying to be too extra sober. I'm not that great either. And you are quite a smart person. So let's, I mean, talk facts, whatever it is. I mean, that's okay.
नहीं गोपाल जी, and मैं सच्ची आपसे बोलता हूँ that you have kept such an informal relation with me. There is no need for any formalities, whether it is a talk show, whether it is Whiz Talks or any other way. I don't have to be formal with you, and that is the type of comfort you have always given me. Gopal ji, tell us something more about your business, your profession, and most importantly, we say that use your vocation to serve Rotary. Tell us something about your work, Gopal.
We are in the making of bright bars. This is specialized steel which is used for making automobile components. And our customers are the ancillary units to large auto companies like Telco, Bajaj Auto, Mahindra and Mahindra, and so on and so forth. We do import some of the steel and also process and sell it here. Despite COVID, auto industry is doing well. So I was really worried whether what will happen when the COVID comes and how the things are going to go. But even Tata Motors, Bajaj, Hero Honda, all of them are doing. So our business is reasonably good. I am also in the advisory of finance management of late without any commercial benefit. I have acquired good knowledge in last 6 months, and I feel I'm competent enough to advise particularly on the mutual funds, other safe instruments and equity market. Okay. So in that field, I would like to grow. Maybe we will form a company also whereby we start a wealth advisory company.
Fantastic. And if you recollect, a few days back, even I had called you for the same purpose.
Yeah, you have called me. Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, yeah,
So
yes.
yes, we are aware that that is one of your likings, and anything that you do with passion always grows. गोपाल जी, रोटरी फाउंडेशन की तरफ लोगों का देखने का नजरिया आपने बदला 16-17 में, लोग आगे आने को चालू हुए। हमने कभी एक साल में इतने आर्ट्स क्लब सोसाइटी मेंबर नहीं देखे थे जितने आपने एक साल में दिखाए। That actually sowed the seeds that in 1819, when I was made the chief coordinator for Arts Club Society, we could get 12 Arts Club Society members. But how did this start? People have to start understanding that this is possible. And if this is possible, then we can venture into it. And that started in 1617 in the charter year of District 3141. You did a lot of magical things. Tell us something about how you drove the foundation to such a high level. And the year you, and I think so, courtesy the foundation money collected by you, did Harjit ji have that much amount in DDF? Am I right, Gopal
Yes,
ji?
very much right.
And it was so much in excess that, you know, he could drive the way he wanted to drive every club. He wanted to support every club, but the seeds were sowed in 2016-17, and that too, it being the charter year of District 3141, when your half hands were clipped. You didn't have the support of 3142. You didn't have the support of clubs Thana and beyond, and you could manage, create records. How did you drive Rotary Foundation to that level? How did you achieve all what you have achieved? And this, Gopalji, we want to know the details.
Manish, it's a very good question. When our district was bifurcated, of course, I was elected for the entire 3140. And I have very, very close friends in 3142, what we call now. I was really banking more on 3142 friends than 3141. And when it got bifurcated, it was a big shock for me. I was all the time thinking, alas, at least in my year, we could have continued and maybe we would have done much bigger things. I was all the time worried about the attendance also. As Manish, you very well know, 60 to 70% of the attendance is always by Thana and beyond and 3142 kind of thing. But then there was no choice. To my good luck, I think universal energy always was there with me. They found there is a genuine person and he is working hard and sincerely to do something better this year. This is one of the things which I really believe in. And in the course of time, I could select some right people in any given field, particularly important field like foundation, projects, membership, and events. These are the 4 areas you know about it. And every avenue, I wanted a person who is passionate by himself, who's hardworking, and who wants to bring result. In foundation, I was just thinking, so luckily, Akshay Mehta agreed to be the avenue chair, of course supported by Vinod Thakkar is also avenue chair. And then with putting both of them together, we selected each and every member of the team who would perform, depending on their own interest on foundation, what they have been contributing, and what is their style of working. In between, I happened to meet Nirav Shah at one of the fellowship meets. And I was just casually talking, Nirav, can you help me in 16, 17 for the foundation? And I don't know where from he has heard my name or he was knowing about me, not that, heard my name, but he knew about me. Bole, Gopal, if you are telling me, I'll be more than willing to work for you. I know you are a sincere person and tell me what can I do. And then secondly, I personally met him and we started talking and then he got charged on that. And as you very well know, if I had to give credit to one person who made the difference, it was Nirav Shah.
Absolutely.
I mean, a person like Ratan Tata, whom we have been approaching almost, we must have approached at least 6-7 times during Ghulam Manwati's year and down to make him AKS, but somehow it did not happen. Here, Nirav Shah got the right person. We went and we visited Ratan Tata, and finally he agreed to become the AKS member. Now, Ratan Tata becoming AKS, it is like Bill Gates joining the Rotary. That kind of stature he has got it. Then he has got the contacts of Ajay Piramal himself. his brother-in-law. And through that connection, we keep getting one after the other one. And once Nirav Shah was successful at one or two places to make them AKS, he was going out of way. I mean, there was a more pressure on me than Nirav Shah. There was more pressure on Nirav Shah than me. He would call up in the morning, sir, kya karna aaj? What to do? Who should we meet? What can we do? And things went on happening. And Manish, you would remember that year we also made Rotary Major Group. Those who are major donors, we formed a special group, and we had 3 or 4 fellowship meets. There we used to call the big donors, the potential donors also. That also made the difference. When you would like to be the company of the big donors, and then you feel happy that I'm the company of the people who have been contributing to the foundation. And there so we started talking, meeting individuals of people, and somehow things worked on that. I had my personal contacts, and I knew some of the people. I've been observing them in each and every club. So we met them, we talked to them, and that's why things started coming. Luckily, 3 of the big donors, they agreed to contribute their funds to the annual program fund, which was the biggest achievement of 16-17. Getting 1.56 million in APF, that's called as annual program fund, was a big achievement. And that's why maybe last year IPDG Harjeet Talwar could reach much higher level because of the DDF amount available. We continued our efforts till last day. And each and every member of the TRF was self-motivated. Everyone wanted to perform. And there used to be call from each and every member. I can talk to that person. If you kindly put up a call, maybe he will agree. So that way we started collecting, and things happened. We also used to review every fortnight after March month, where we are, which club we are lacking, who has promised, who has not given. Akshay, myself, and 3-4 of us used to sit it. Akshay did a very meticulous job. And that's why we could collect almost $2.75 million US, that too in bifurcated district as a total amount, and 1.56 is annual program fund.
Gopalji, 2.75 in total, yes, it's a good target, but 1.56 in annual fund is something which gave the District 3141 the required push that it needed so that all projects happen well. Gopalji, if you...
I would like to add here one thing. Now 2.576, it was in the bifurcated district, mind it, Manish. Had we been together with another 70 clubs, easily we could have crossed easily 3.5 to 4 million US dollars.
Definitely.
It was easy. And
Definitely.
particularly, again repeating it, I have very close friends in 3142 still. Whether they have been contributing earlier years or no, whether they are contributing this year or no, but in 16-17, at my personal call, they would have come forward and done their best. I was pretty sure about it.
Definitely. Gopalji, I'm also aware the type of connect you had with 3142. I also have very close friends in 3142. And, you know, it would have been a different year altogether. And you had always wanted that मेरे साल के बाद में split हो जाए. But it was extraordinary performance, and that has actually driven the district. We started believing that yes, we can achieve those goals.
Yeah, we can do that.
And that is the reason year after year, things grew. For example, last year we have got around 4 million.
Yes.
Though it's sad that despite it was 4 million in APF, it was hardly around $85,000. Yes, it will make a difference, but we were still the number one giver to the Rotary Foundation. So
absolutely right. So I must compliment Harjeet Talwar and the team. They have done remarkably job. $4 million is not a small sum to do it, and they too particularly when COVID was there. So I mean things have been done very well.
And Gopalji's sincere congratulations to Harjeet ji for the tasks he has done and achieved. But we knew that annual fund is very important, and that is the reason, Gopalji, this year we initiated a well thought of Givers Gain project in which you give through waste. And Gopalji, touch wood, we've been getting some extraordinary good response where the entire funds are going to go to the annual fund. And if we have blessings and support and guidance from people like you, I'm sure we'll achieve what we want to achieve. Gopalji, if you recollect, a few days back, you and Sunil were on a personal call, on a Zoom call, where we've really discussed methods and strategies, how we have to start raising bigger funds for the Rotary Foundation. You know, now in global grants, the club contribution is not being matched by the Rotary Foundation.
That's true. That's true.
If this is the way the annual fund starts depleting, then time will not be far away that we might not get even matching for the DDF. So we don't want those days to come. Global grant is a magical thing for any project. Global grant is the one which drives Rotary, and people like you and all senior people, if you all tie up hands with us in this year, and you've always considered every year as your year, I'm sure we'll be able to do a lot in annual fund. And this is an interview, fine, but you know that we are always there with you, and we also are sure that you are with us. We'll totally drive Rotary and Rotary Foundation to the next possible level.
We will do it, and we together will achieve the target. No doubt
Yes,
about
Gopal.
it.
Gopalji, what are you've been a governor, and you've seen Rotary so closely. You've seen Rotary over past 3 decades or even more. What are the changes you would like to bring in Rotary in time to come?
Changes has to be on 3 fronts, according to me. Now, if we talk about the foundation, maybe 25 to 30% of the people may be giving. I don't know the exact percentage.
30%.
30%. It's not that the remaining 70% can't give or they don't have the resources. Sometimes the approach or the communication to them is not the way it should be done. Maybe the president or maybe the down below people are not propagating the benefits of the foundation. So the first thing should be there that at least 75 to 80% of the Rotarians must contribute to the foundation. Maybe $100, maybe even $50. That's okay. But $100 is a respectable figure. And if you increase that 30% to 50% or 70%, you can understand where we can reach. Now, what is the way to go deeper and penetration, that we must find out. And in each and every club, there has to be a different philosophy by which everybody start contributing to the foundation. Talking about membership, again, I think 10 to 20% of the people bring the 80% of the result. It's 20-80 formula everywhere. Whatever performance the club is doing, again by 20% of the people. Whatever performance we get at the district level, again by 20% of the team. 80% of the people are there in numbers, but their contribution is not up to the level. A thought-provoking session on regular basis may give us some idea how to motivate the rest 80% people to do something. It's not they are not capable. It's not they cannot do good things. I think somewhere they are lacking or the motivation is lacking. That's one thing we have to see. Talking about projects, now there is always a debate whether should we have the projects designed and almost governed by the district or clubs must be doing by themselves. In my experience, I have seen it, at least 3 or big projects has to be done by each and every club. Pediatric heart surgery, if you remember, we used to do around 150 to 300 numbers max in before Pratham year. But in our year, we could have the MOU with 4 big hospitals and could do 500 plus pediatric heart surgery. And then we have never looked back. Similarly, also diabetes project also started in 16-17. We could do 100 camps and 100,000 people were checked up. It could be possible because it was designed in a fashion by which club were to only arrange the venue and the people who are to be checked up. Rest of each and every facility was provided by the district or district funds without any cost to the club. And so it could happen. Similarly, talking about our toilet projects also, we could do almost 25 stations, local station renovation of the existing toilet blocks, very well done. Also at number of schools in Palghar district and Panvel. There also we floated a scheme by which club has to contribute 50% of the amount, and 50% of the amount will be matched by the district through some big donors. And so it could happen. I of the fund believe that 3 or 4 mega projects, which in visionary year also we have planned, should be done collectively for all the clubs, so we can make a larger impact in the community, and rest of the projects of clubs, whatever they want to do, they are doing by themselves. Another thing, I would say maybe 15 to 20% of the clubs are going for the global grants. You may correct me. I mean, I may not have the percentage figures. They keep doing every year. Some of the clubs have never done the global grant, or they might have done once in blue moon. This is another area we have to look in. Either that paperwork, they are finding it difficult, they are not able to find the right project or the right partner, which is doable. We have good number of people in the district team who can help them out. And a global grant, if a club does, I would rate that club in a very special category. That's one thing. Foundation provides us the funds and we do larger projects. And that's the only way to get larger amount in the foundation from the clubs as well. Club or the director can very well say that we are getting X amount from the Rotary Foundation. We should reciprocate and must contribute equal amount, at least, if not more.
Absolutely.
And things can work out.
Gopalji, I have also taken out some special points out of what you just said. We know that 30% people contribute to the foundation, and we know that if many contribute, it's going to make a huge change, because someone might contribute in a small manner, someone might contribute in a big manner. That is where we laid the foundations of Givers Gain project. Gopalji, इसमें project का concept ही ऐसा है कि we want to make every club as a EREY club and the district EREY district. I know it's a far-fetched dream, but with the way Givers Gain is going on, Gopalji, I see things happening. An annual fund, Gopalji, since I've been driving Givers Gain all across the district, I'll just tell you one small example about one of my friends. So a non-Rotarian friend of mine, I approached him and I said, and I spent 45 minutes with him. And I told him that you have to contribute your waste towards Rotary giving. He said, ठीक है, 45 minutes I spent with him. And uske baad mein he did a small form filling and the person came, collected. He donated around 65 kgs. Out of those 65 kgs, the money that was generated was only 300 rupees. He calls me, Manish, आप बेवकूफ हो, आपने अपना 45 मिनट गवाया मेरे से 300 रुपए निकलवाने के लिए. आप मेरे को एक बार बोलते थे कि आपके बोलने पे मैं 5000 नहीं देता था. मैंने बोला नहीं भाई, this was to just probing you and giving you a habit of giving. Now tell me one thing. And गोपाल जी, बहुत क्लियर बात मैंने उसको बताई. मैंने बोला भैया आप रहते हो एक प्रेस्टिजियस सोसाइटी में, आपके फ्लोर पे कितने फ्लैट्स हैं? बोला 4. मैंने बोला 300 into 4 करो. मैं बोला आपकी बिल्डिंग में कितने फ्लोर्स है? बोला 30. मैंने बोला into 30 करो. मैंने बोला आपके सोसाइटी में कितनी हाई राइजेस है? बोलता है 8. मैंने बोला into 8 करो. टोटल अमाउंट, मैंने बोला अभी गिव मी अ टोटल. He said it is 2,88,000.
My God, yeah, multiplier effect.
मैंने बोला इसमें से 30% लोग गिनो कि आपको नहीं देंगे. 30% will not give you, because he was the chairman of one of the buildings. मैं बोला 30% नहीं देंगे, माइनस करो. उसने बोला, मैंने बोला कितना हुआ? बोला 2,01,000. मैंने बोला कम ऑन लेट्स गो फॉर इट. गोपाल जी, वो बिल्डिंग से हमने 2,05,000 रुपए जमा किए. ग्रेट. नॉन रोटेरियन. अभी मैंने उसको सिर्फ इतना कहा कि ये तो मैं एक ट्रायल करके आपके साथ कर रहा हूं. हमारे पास 5,800 रोटेरियन है. एवरी रोटेरियन विल बी हैविंग वन पर्सन लाइक दिस अमॉन्ग्स्ट हिज फ्रेंड्स, जिसको जो बोले उसके लिए करेगा. एक उसका ब्रदर या कजिन होगा जिसको जो बोले वो करेगा. हमारे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे एक बिल्डिंग, हमारे राइट हैंड साइड पे एक बिल्डिंग. सोसाइटी, कहाँ पे बिल्डिंग्स होगी 40 माले की, कहाँ पे होगी 10 माले की, कहाँ पे यू विल हैव 20 high rises in a society where somewhere you will have 2 high rises, someone will be standalone. It is just a matter of starting to give. गोपाल जी, इससे ही आप समझ सकते हैं कि 5,800 तो रोटेरियन, 10,000 रोट्रैक्टर्स, जिनको तो कोई इनिबिशंस भी नहीं होंगे 10 जनों के सामने जाके मांगने में। हम तो 10 बार सोचते हैं पूछने के पहले। सो दिस कैन बी ह्यूज गोपाल जी, बस सीरियसली टेलिंग यू, इसमें मेथोडोलॉजी और अच्छा बनाना है, आपका सपोर्ट मिले, यू इंट्रोड्यूस अस टू पीपल. There are many people who are wanting to join us here, but truly speaking, we need the experience, expertise, blessings of seniors who have been proving themselves time and again to ensure that not 1 million, not 2 million, I should not overestimate, but this is not a far-fetched uh, uh, target. This is possible, and the way it has been driving clubs, the way it has been driving people, Gopal ji, we are very positive. Touch wood, I really hope and pray we achieve what we want to achieve, so that what we do in 2021, 2024 governor will come back to us and tell us, yes, you are the one. Like I told you today, Gopal ji, 16-17 was the year which drove 1920. 2021 should be a year which will drive 23-24, and that is what we are looking at. गोपाल जी, बहुत काम हो गया, बहुत सारी बातें हुई, अभी एक चीज जिसके लिए आप बहुत मशहूर भी हो. Let us know something about your special hobbies and your likings too.
Come back, please.
Let us know something about.
I said come back. I could not.
I said let us know something about your special hobbies, your likings, how you ease off.
Manish, you have been observing me. Though I became a district governor, I might be having other positions, but that was not me. I was always a friend to everyone. Even at the best of the conferences or best of the meetings, I am the one who will go and meet the friends, even if it's sitting behind somewhere. And I love the people. I don't carry any hate of the past governor with me, and it cannot happen with me. I hug the people, I meet them, I crack jokes, and fellowship is the one which I like the most. Talking about my energy level, I am a health freak. I almost spend at least 1.5 hours daily doing some exercise. I'm a member of 3 or 4 big clubs in Bombay, but that's not the point. And I am a regular person who goes to the gym. I have a personal trainer also. And I have been advocating this thing that whatever you might be doing, but if you don't spend time and money on health, then you are not justifying. I have been addressing on a subject also long back. Life begins at 50. जिंदगी की शुरुआत 50 की उम्र पर. और मैं उसमें ये सभी बातें करता हूँ. पहले मैं ये लेक्चर देने के लिए लेक्चर देता था. वो धीरे धीरे I started imbibing all those what I've been talking in myself, and I have become what I was talking, the walk the talk. So I take care of my mood also. Most of the time I am on the positive side of the life, most of the time. And I don't carry far off. Sometimes differences occur between the Rotarians, family, business, every year. But by evening I'm cool, or I will call the person, sorry boss, yaar, if I might have said something you might not have liked, let's be friends and forget it about it. So that way I have been able to maintain good friendship with most of the people. I am always well-wisher. I know some of the people have backstabbed me. They have done which they should not have done. But still, I just forget and forgive and carry on about it. Recently, I have started liking reading the books. And I have formed 2 book lovers club. And some of the Rotarians are also there. The membership is around 30 to 40 people. We meet once a month. We decide a book in advance and then allocate the chapters or whatever the things are there. And then everyone has to share what he has learned out of the book. This is going very well. And some of the books which I might not have read in my lifetime. One of the books is Sapiens by Harari. My granddaughter even asked me, Nanu, have you really read this book? So that's the beauty. And my target is to make at least 15 to 20 clubs in Bombay in the next 2 years' time.
Fantastic.
I
Lovely.
like traveling. I must have traveled almost most of the world by now. Traveled to US 20 times. My daughter used to live, that was the region. I mean, and in India also I have covered everything. This is the COVID time. Otherwise, I generally travel 4 to 5 times in a year.
Lovely.
I have the luxury of time now and good company. Anybody travels me once, he would definitely like to repeat with me any given time. That's the kind of company I provide. That's the kind of humor we come out. And Shairi, of course, as you know, if somebody wants to listen or doesn't want to listen, it is his problem. But my Shairis will always stay.
So, Gopalji, now that we are coming to the end of the interview, how can the interview end without hearing a lovely shairi from you and then the final words from me?
Okay, let me say the Shairi part and then final word. छूले आसमां जमी की तलाश ना कर, छूले आसमां जमी की तलाश ना कर, जीले जिंदगी की तलाश ना कर, तकदीर बदल जाएगी अपने आप ही दोस्त, तकदीर बदल जाएगी अपने दोस्त, बस रोटेरियन बन जा, वजह की तलाश ना कर, बस रोटेरियन बन जा, वजह की तलाश ना कर.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है.
Final word again in शायरी form. खुदा ने कहा तू दोस्ती मत कर, खुदा ने कहा तू दोस्ती मत कर, तू दोस्ती में भटक जाएगा. मैंने खुदा से कहा तू नीचे आ, मेरे दोस्त डॉक्टर मनीष मोटवानी से मिल, तू भी ऊपर जाना भूल जाएगा. That's the kind of lovely friend Manish Motwani is there. And thank you so much. I enjoyed your question answer session. Hope I have done justice to your time and your planning. Thank you.
First of all, Gopalji, thank you so much for the privilege given to have this interview. It has been a lovely experience with you on the WizBiz Talks. We would take the liberty of posting these videos to all Rotary clubs, all presidents, social media pages of Rotary District 3141 also. Your interview is also going to be viewed by Rotarians and non-Rotarians. I'm sure this interview will inspire many others to work with Rotary for service projects. There will be many people who would love to get associated with Rotary also. Gopalji, you are a strong supporter of the Rotary Foundation. We would definitely, once again, I would appeal to you, we would request your support and guidance to guide us well so that we could ensure that Rotary Foundation grows, flourishes, and helps many Rotarians to do much more better work.
I have great love for Rotary Foundation. I believe in the programs, and naturally, particularly when Sulil Mehra is the governor and you are the chief coordinator, it's a visionary year. You can be, I assure you of my fullest support in any given manner.
Thank you, Gopalji, and I'm sure together, all of us together, will do each and everything possible to support.
And it's a great initiative to take views through the interview of the number of people and promote it wherever is possible. It's a great initiative.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Good night.